How to add products on Alibaba.com mobile app to your favorites. So let's start. Open the app and then choose some product you would like to add to your favorites. I like these bags. Easy, simple. Click on it again. And here, I'm gonna stop this video. And here you can see this heart. And if you click on it, you add it to your favorites. So we're gonna check it if it's there. So go back, click my Alibaba and click my favorites, and it's already there. I'm gonna show you one more time how to do it. So we're gonna choose another product. I don't know, these shoes. Click on it again. And here you go. If you click on this heart icon, now go back. And if you click my Alibaba, my favorites, you can see the shoes over there. And that's it. This is how can you add some products to your favorites on Alibaba mobile app. Guys, thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button. If you want to support this channel, please subscribe and see you one click later. Goodbye.